Hey everybody, welcome to Ocala Garage. So the time has come. I've had to make a decision, and it is time to let the Datsun go. I still love the Datsun. It still is one of my dream cars. Of course, I have had it and been able to drive it and work on it, but I've just got the Daytona Coupe, and I just haven't been spending any time with the Datsun. So I think it's time to let somebody else enjoy it. So I just thought I'd do this real quick video. I'm going to list it on Facebook Marketplace. I'm not sure of the price yet, but that's what we're going to do. I'm going to probably, at the end of this video, or after I'm done yapping, I'm going to just add some pictures that I take of it currently, and maybe I'll do a little bit of it running. But you guys can check back on the videos. I've got a playlist for the Datsun. You can see all the work I've done, everything that's happened to it, and it's going to come with a couple extra parts. I've got new seats, with the actual cushions and the seat covers. I've got a handful of other parts. I've got a spare door and a fender that'll come along for the passenger side, and a handful of other things that'll come with the car. I'll try to make sure I list those in the listing, but look for it on the Facebook Marketplace. I'm here in Northern Virginia, and probably in the next couple weeks I'll get it listed. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and enjoy the slideshow. All right, we're almost there. Here we go. Pressure. 'All this is just fake. This doesn't do anything. These are empty switches. Just put them in there to look cool. This does or will charge your phone. Windshield wipers are the slowest, saddest things in the world. Let's turn them on. This is on fast. Water does spray out of one. But just don't drive this in the rain. Oh, and you got a time shutting them off too. All right, well, she runs. Let's give her a little. '72 Datsun 240Z. It's got a 260 engine in it. Headers, 2.5-inch exhaust. There's rust down here. Lower quarters. A couple of holes in the floor pans. I have replacement quarters for both sides that'll come with the car. I don't have the sills. I don't have floor pans. Here, let's pull out this carpet. You can see that somebody did a patch at one point. Not a great welding job, but there's definitely some daylight coming through. A couple of pinholes here and there. Same thing on the passenger side. Certainly wouldn't hurt to pull the floor pans out, but it's not bad the way it is. Just drive it in the sunlight. Again, this side also holes in the rear, dog leg. Front's pretty decent. Battery tray is good, nice and solid. The hatch area is nice and solid back here, where they usually rust out. That's nice and solid. This was dented really bad. I just kind of flattened it a little bit, but I have another door and fender. Actually, I'll show you. Oh, these tires and wheels, I've got 4 of those. They can come with it. The other door is sitting here, and the fender is actually, I think it's in the garage somewhere, but that'll come with it. In this box, I've got black vinyl and the cushions to recover the seats and get those back to good. Although I kind of like the white, but the black, it's black vinyl. So there you go. 1972 Datsun 240Z for sale. It needs, it needs a lot of loving as far as getting it pretty. But she runs. The brakes could be better, but they're 1972 brakes. There's a lot of stuff that I've done to this car to get it running. You can check it out on my YouTube page and see what I've done to this car in the past 6 or 7 years I've had it. So I hope you guys buy it, or one of you buys it. Thanks.